Good morning, my dear children. Today we will continue EVS Chapter 1 Super Senses. We will discuss about the sloth. Sloth, the lazy one. Why lazy? Because out of 24 hours in a day, sloth sleeps 17 hours. That is more than half of one full day. It looks like a bird, but it is not. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping hanging upside down on a tree branch. The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly needs anything else. When it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, it moves to another tree nearby. Sloth lives for about 40 years, and in that time they move around only 8 trees. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. Next, sleeping time of sloth. Now see how the sleeping time of the sloth shown in the circle. The circle is divided into 12 fractions, that is 12 parts, and each part means 2 hours. So first let us count the time for which the sloth is awake. So each triangle or each fraction is denoted by 2 hours. The time for which the sloth is awake is 6 hours. So now count the sleeping time for sloth. So the sloth sleeps for 18 hours in a day. In the book it is mentioned 17 hours. But because 17 is an odd number, we cannot divide it properly in whole number. That is why we have to take 18. Okay. Now you have two shades the fractions for which a lizard is sleeping in winter. How will you show the clock for a house lizard in winters? So as I already told you, lizard sleeps 24 hours throughout the winter. So how much portion you will shade? You will shade the whole portion because it sleeps full 24 hours in winter season. Similarly, you have to count the sleeping time of the cow. That is, you have to count the shaded portion. Cow will sleep 4 hours. Similarly, python sleeps for 18 hours, giraffe sleeps for 2 hours, and cat sleeps for 12 hours. Now, we have already discussed about tigers. They have more than one super sense, yet they are in danger. First of all, we will list all the super sense which tigers have. First is super sense of sight. Tigers can see 6 times better at night than us. They can see very far away at night when it is very dark. They can see very clearly. They have super sense of hearing. They can make out the difference between rustling of leaves and animals moving on grass. Tigers can move their ears in all directions and catch sound from different directions from all the directions. They have super sense of smell. A tiger can recognize the smell of urine of other tigers and they can avoid going into other tigers' area. Tigers can also make out different sounds for different purpose. Like if they want to scare someone or if they want to call out for their friends, they can make out different type of sound. They also have super sensitive whiskers. Tigers' whiskers can sense movement in the air and can find its prey. So, in spite of having so many super senses, why they are in danger? Because the number of tigers are decreasing, and there are only a few tigers are left in India. And if we don't save them, then after a few years all the tigers will disappear, and the future children won't be able to see tigers. Just like we see dinosaurs only in pictures and movies now, future children will also be able to see tigers only in pictures and movies. And tiger is our national animal. So it is our duty to save the tigers. So what are the dangers faced by tigers? Hunters and poachers are the biggest threat to tigers. Poacher means people who hunt animal and sell their body parts to make money out of it. Hunters and poachers kill tigers and sell their beautiful skin at a very high cost. Second reason is deforestation. Deforestation is cutting off trees from a large area of a forest. Forest is home for tigers and many other animals. If trees are not there, then wherever the animal lives. So here are a few things made out of animal skin. Just like that, carpet which is made out of tiger skin. This leather belt is made up of snake's skin. This bag made from crocodile skin. Elephants are killed for their tusks, as these tusks are very costly. Rhinoceros are also killed for their horns. Sometimes we humans so cruel that to earn money we kill innocent animals, which is not right. Everyone has right to live, be it humans or animals. Tigers are killed for their skin. Elephants are killed for their tusks. Rhinos are killed for their horns. Snakes, crocodiles are also killed for their skin. And musk deer are killed for their musk. How to save animals? Who will save them? Our government will save them. To protect the animals, our government has made some forests as protected area. Some of them are Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Kanha National Park in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In these areas, nobody can hunt animals or destroy the jungle. Okay? Clear the chapter? So, here we finish our chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.